I am Bertrude, wife of King Clotaire II of the Franks. My life began humbly, yet fate intertwined my path with royalty, elevating me to a position of influence and power in the Merovingian kingdom. Let me share with you the story of my life, set against the turbulent backdrop of the late 6th and early 7th centuries, a time of war, intrigue, and transformation. Born in the shadow of 584, my early years were shaped by the strife that engulfed the Frankish realms following the assassination of King Chilperic I, Clotaire's father. The kingdom fractured, with rival factions vying for supremacy. It was into this volatile world that Clotaire II, still an infant, ascended to the throne. His mother, Queen Fredegund, ruled as regent, her cunning and ruthlessness ensuring Clotaire's survival and eventual dominance. I met Clotaire when he was a young man burdened by the legacy of his lineage. Fredegund had passed by then, and the weight of the crown rested heavily on his shoulders. Clotaire's rule began as a struggle, his territories reduced to a fraction of his father's domain. Yet, he possessed a remarkable resilience. I was drawn to his determination to unite the Franks and restore the Merovingian dynasty to its former glory. Our marriage was not only a union of hearts, but also a political alliance. As his queen, I supported Clotaire in his quest to consolidate power. Over the years, I witnessed his victories, including the pivotal defeat of Brunhilde, the formidable grandmother and rival regent of King Theodoric II of Austrasia. In 613, Clotaire's forces captured and executed Brunhilde, marking the end of decades of civil war. With her demise, Clotaire became the sole ruler of the Frankish kingdom, fulfilling his long-held dream. Life at court was a delicate dance of diplomacy and strategy. As queen, I wielded influence subtly, fostering alliances and ensuring the loyalty of the nobility. The Merovingian court was a place of opulence, but also one of constant intrigue. I learned to navigate its treacherous waters, protecting not only my husband, but also our children. Clotaire's reign was not without challenges. The kingdom's vastness demanded a delicate balance of power among the regions. To achieve this, Clotaire enacted the Edict of Paris in 614, a landmark legal reform that sought to curb the excesses of the nobility and restore order. I stood by his side during this period, offering counsel and ensuring the reforms took root. These measures strengthened the monarchy and laid the groundwork for stability. Despite the demands of governance, Clotaire and I shared moments of profound connection. He was a man of contrasts, a fierce warrior yet capable of deep reflection. Together, we sought solace in our faith, often retreating to monasteries to seek divine guidance. The Church was a cornerstone of our reign, its support crucial in legitimizing Clotaire's rule and fostering unity among the people. As the years passed, I watched Clotaire grow into a leader beloved by his subjects. Yet, the weight of the crown took its toll. By the time of his death in 629, he had forged a legacy that would shape the Frankish kingdom for generations. For me, his passing marked the end of an era, a moment of profound sorrow tempered by the knowledge that together we had achieved something extraordinary. Now, as I reflect on my life, I see a tapestry woven with triumphs and trials, love and loss. I was not merely a queen, but a partner to a king whose vision and tenacity restored unity to a fractured realm. My story is intertwined with his, a testament to the strength of partnership and the enduring power of legacy.